Hi, my name is Marilyn, and for this video I'm going to be showing you how I created this black and white stripy wing liner. So I feel like winged eyeliner is something that's really glamorous but still something simple that people can do, and a way of spicing it up always is, to me, kind of using different colors or textures like metallics or something like this that's a little bit more intricate but is still almost wearable to like a party or something, not necessarily every day. It's something that's kind of basic, but anyone can master it and create some cool looks like this, so let's get started. So this is one I all completed. We're going to be recreating it on the other side. So I don't know why lately my eyelids have been really oily, so what I like to use for that as a primer is going to be the Morphe one, especially with the shadows that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using the Black Moon Cosmetics Orb of Light palette, and these are super buttery, but almost to the point that they need something to really grab onto. I'm only like starting to have that problem now, but this base is perfect for it. I just want to take the smallest amount of this primer and press it into my skin, kind of work it in until it gets tacky so you can start to feel it. To set that base, I'm taking the shade New on this Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to be adding that all over the place. And this is going to be to kind of set that eyeshadow base and give our eyeshadows a really smooth finish. Now with the shade Cold on the Makeup Shack T67 brush, I'm going to be working this into the crease for a really natural, kind of traditional shaped eye. To get started with this eyeliner, usually when I do one eye already, I like to map out the other one. So I'm going to try to create the outer edge of the wing first, and I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This white eyeliner is really good, but the trick to actually creating that super sharp edge is to use as little product as possible. So what I like to do is kind of almost pinch my brush together, and that way I can just scoop up the product and just swipe it right on. So I'm going to be doing 5 little stripes, and they don't have to be perfect. The only part that has to be straight is the very top of the liner, but the width of it can be anything really. We're going to go back and clean it up anyway. Now I'm just going to go through and set it with the Sugar Pill eyeshadow in Taco. And for this I'm using the Makeup Shack T65. To finish off this liner, I'm just going to be going back in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner again and creating the black stripes. I'm just going through and doing some final touch-ups, so I'm just lining up with the white eyeliner one more time, and then I'm going to be placing a thin line of that black liner along the lash line for my lashes. For the under eyes, I'm going back through with the shade Cold and Black on this BH Cosmetics number V16 brush. For lashes, I'm going to be adding this pair of number 40 by Lash. So now I'm going to go ahead and set my foundation and concealer. For foundation, I use the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and my shade is number 118 Light Beige. And for concealer, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. To set this, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation powder, and this one is in Warm Light. And this brush is by Royal & Langnickel. It's just their complexion brush. For contour, I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow kit in Light with the Royal & Langnickel contour brush, and I need to find like a new contour. I need just like a normal contour color, not an eyebrow shade, but I just can't find anything that's this good. I love this color. And I'm also taking this on my nose with the Kat Von D number 40 brush. I feel like lately I've been really obsessed with blush just because I feel like I found like the perfect combination. So this one is by Flower Beauty. It's called Sweet Pea, and it's just the perfect little like soft pink. It's not too bright, and then I love brushes that are like this shape. It's just so beautiful. It's by the Moda Pro line, and it's the Radiance blush brush. I'm just gonna go through and clean up all the work that I did with my face powder. And I don't think I'm going to go through with any highlight right now. I don't really like to highlight that often, just when I'm feeling fancy, but I feel like this look is just about the eyes. I don't really want any highlighter. For lips, I'm going in with Goth Topic. This is by Wet n Wild, and it's their Liquid Catsuit Liquid Lipstick. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial on this stripy winged liner. If you liked this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel as well. If you'd like to see a closer look of this makeup, I'll be posting pictures on my Instagram and Twitter at MarilynMugBeat. See you next time. Bye!